hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vasu and you're watching Technovas. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the dark mode on your YouTube application. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Before we proceed any further, make sure to press on the subscribe button and tap on the bell notification so that you don't miss anything. Guys, before I show you how to enable the dark mode on YouTube, make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version. Okay, now go on to your YouTube app and click on this icon on the right upper corner. Now click on settings option below. Click on general. Now you can find an option called dark mode. Click on this option to enable the dark mode. Now you can see that the white background has changed to dark background. Now the entire white background on your YouTube app is changed to dark color. YouTube has mainly introduced this feature to reduce the strain on your eyes when you're using the app under low light. Even the download section has changed from white to dark background. Guys, if you have any issues enabling the dark mode on your phone, leave your questions in the comment section below so that I could help you. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. And also drop a like if you like the video. And also subscribe if you're new to my channel and tap on the bell notification so that you don't miss anything. If you're a subscriber, I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.